Hi, Jonathan York from IRG BOP. Looking at investment opportunities available this week. Kiwibank have announced their preference shares finally. This is expected to be a very highly sought after offer. Bearing in mind the warehouse was double oversubscribed. Kiwibank are only looking for about 100 million. The rate is going to be around 8 to 8.5. It's a 5-year reset, so it's reset first in 2015 and again in 2020. After that date is then callable on the dividend anniversary. Dividends are paid February, May, August and November. It's a pie structure as well, so there are some tax efficiencies for it. We expect this to be highly oversubscribed again, and it's really important to get your calls in to reserve your allocation, because there will be high demand for this offer, and it will really will be pretty tough to obtain an allocation out there. We've also seen Greece come up with a rescue plan, which is a bit of a combination between the EU nations and the IMF. This should be good news for global financial markets. Certainly bond markets have seemed to have taken it pretty favourably. The euro's traded slightly higher, and equity markets seem to have pushed on a little bit further as well. And that's quite fortuitous, because we've got the latest Liontamer Global Series 7 out there, which is an equity market investment. You've got a 50% exposure to the US, 20% to Europe, excluding the UK, and then 10% to the UK, Japan and Hong Kong. It's capital protected for 6 years via UBS, and that gives you a 100% participation in the rise in the index, or you can have unprotected units, which gives you a 145% participation rate. That means that if the index goes up by 100 points over the 6 years, you will actually receive a 145 points increase in your investment. So that's quite interesting, and certainly worthwhile further investigation. Call us on 0800 867 323, or go to the website to check out the details on that. Finally, for the probably more adventurous out there, we have an IPO coming to the market for Ecoya. These are the people who launched the 42 Below vodka. They certainly made a pretty decent return for investors on that investment. They're looking for between 10 and 12 million here on this IPO, but it must be stated that it is quite a high speculative investment, and certainly something that should be looked at as a sort of quite high risk, because what you're really relying on is their ability to transform this business into a saleable commodity in sort of 12 to 15 months time or thereabouts. Certainly they've got the experience of being able to do that, so they certainly did it with 42 Below, and it's another opportunity to invest your money into these guys to see if they can pull that off again. If that does interest you, again, give us a call, because I think it will be pretty interesting and pretty exciting, but obviously a different sort of investment from the standard sort of bonds or shares that are available on the market. Risk statement available on request. Call us on 0800 867 323, or go to the website www.irgbop.co.nz. Lots of interesting articles. We'll have the Kiwi Saver Factors Investment Statement up there, and also the Liontamer Global Series 7. Lots of interesting articles, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.